Welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Tutorial. I am Adim Asher and in this video we comes to know that how to make a simple pressure cooker. So first of all, click on the top plane and then sketch. Take a circle, click on the origin and right here. Now select smart dimension, make it 300 millimeter. Okay. Now move on the surface tab, select extrude surface, make it 190 millimeter. Okay. Now select fill surface, select this edge and make it okay. Now click on the front plane and then sketch. Take 3-point arc, click on this point and on this point and right here. Now give its dimension, make it 10.25 millimeter and its vertical height is 7.1 millimeter and its radius is 8.8 millimeter. Now take a line, click on this point and write vertical. Click on this line and make it for construction. Now move on the surface tab, select revolve surface, select line 2 and make it okay. Select thicken command, select this face and make it 1 millimeter. Again select thicken command, at this time select this face and make it 1 millimeter. Select thicken command and select this face. Okay. Now click on the front plane and then normal to. Move on the feature tab, select reference geometry and then plane. Make it 160 millimeter. Okay. Now click on this plane and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and write vertical. Now select smart dimension, make it 25 millimeter. Okay. Now take center rectangle, click on this point and right here. Give its dimension, make it 37.7 millimeter and its vertical height is 27.5 millimeter. Okay. Now click on this line and make it for construction. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, click here, select up to surface and select this surface and make it okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Now take a line, click on this point and write vertical. Select smart dimension, make it 27.5 by 2. Okay. Now take center rectangle, click on this point and right here. Give its dimension, make it 31 millimeter and its vertical height is 17 millimeter. Okay, now click on this line and make it for construction. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it 144 millimeter. Okay, click on this face and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and right here. Now give its dimension, make it 17 millimeter. Okay, now take a circle, click on this point and right up to here. Take another line, click on this point and on this point and right outward. Select trim entity, trim this inner circle. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude cut, cut it out. Okay. Select fillet command, make it 3 millimeter. Select all these faces and make it okay. Again select fillet command, select this edge and make it 3 millimeter. Now click on this face, give it appearance. I select black. Okay. Now click on this plane and make it height. Now click on this appearance, select scenes, basic scene and select rooftop. Click here and select cotton. Now save this spot. Now close this window. Now if you want to render the image, just open Solidworks Composer. Move on the File tab, select Open. Select the file. Now move on the Render tab, select Mirror, Shadow and Ambient Occlusion. Select High Contrast. Now you see that our part is completed and it's rendered by Solidworks Composer. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.